Good afternoon, my name is Raul Dominguez. I work for the Florida Department of Transportation. This mobile workshop and the Safety Summit is a great event for engineers, urban planners, elected officials to come out and experience firsthand the facilities that we put in place for the public to use. This particular project, which was a 3R, required a lot of attention to ADA, and one of the things that we did is we actually spent 3 days walking the site and measuring the cross slope of every curb ramp to make sure that it met ADA. We also added in pavement crosswalk lighting, and we also reduced the amount of crosswalks. There were certain intersections that had crosswalks on both the south and the north leg. We reduced the lane widths to provide sufficient asphalt for a bike lane, and that's what you see behind us here. Thank you, and hope to see you at the 2020 Safe Street Summit.